What's good guys, it's Daniel here, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are all having a good day. And in today's video we have a sneaker unboxing, so let's jump to that intro. Now guys, make sure you do stay until the end of the video because I'm going to be showing an on-foot look of these, but I'm also going to be showing it with two different outfits. So if you kind of want to see what I'll style with these shoes with, make sure you do stay until the end. Alright guys, I haven't done a sneaker unboxing in a while now. Note to you guys that I have quite a bit of heat dropping this week. This is going to be coming out on Thursdays, which means yes, you might still have time to register for some of these things, but we do actually have the NMD Human Racers coming out in 3 different colorways with Pharrell. We also have Kanye West dropping the black edition of the YEEZY Power Phases. So obviously you're gonna try to get those ones to go with my grays. Supreme is dropping some Doc Martens, which is a mag collab. So obviously you got Supreme, Doc Martens, Undercover and Public Enemy. I think that's like the whole collab together. So hopefully I've actually been able to pick those up now. These ones are all out there, but they look sick. Anyway, enough of all the upcoming sneakers. Let's actually look at the sneakers that I've copped and the ones that I want to show to you guys today. So guys, there you see it, it's the blue box, so we know it's Adidas Originals. And the shoes that I'm going to be showing you guys today are the Adidas GLENBUCK SPZL. That probably means nothing to you, it meant nothing to me as well, but let's have a look at them, eh? Now I already know these aren't going to be everybody's thing, but here they are. So these shoes are actually being kind of reissued. They obviously did come out in the 80s. So Adidas has pretty much revived these shoes because it is the 30th anniversary of the second Summer of Love. These shoes came out in the 80s, so obviously they got that whole vintage feel to them. They pretty much kept true to the original ones. Now originally these shoes were actually running shoes. That's what they were designed for. Now the reason I wanted to cop these, and I copped them from N Clothing. So N Clothing is sold out in them. A lot of other stores are still selling them, so I'll link a few of them below for you guys. So obviously you guys know that I'm mad into my kind of like vintage look and everything right now, and again we are, like I've said in so many videos, in a whole like 70s, 80s and 90s feel right now. These shoes go perfect to add to any silhouette. They retail for £100, so it's not a bad price at all. When we actually come into the shoe itself, we do have on the outside a suede overlay coming all around the shoe. Now coming into the back, we actually have a red leather heel patch with the Adidas Original logo. Coming underneath the shoe, we do have just a rubber outsole with the Adidas writing, and then also very close up on the sole you do have the tiny Adidas Original logo printed throughout the sole, which is a really awesome like kind of tiny little detail, so that's really cool to see. So then we come down and we've got a foam midsole with this kind of like webbed design. Then what's actually really cool about this whole midsole, as you see with this close up, it's got this kind of like lip on the back of it. And what's cool about this is because in the original pair, so there's a bit of a story behind this, in the original pair of these shoes back in the 80s, so to save money what they actually did with the midsole is that, so let's say you were a size 10 like me, they would make the midsole actually a size 10, and then they would actually still use that same midsole on like a 9.5 and a 9, so they would stick the whole, you know, outer part of the shoe on here on a size 10 midsole, which then in turn would create, if you grabbed a size 9, this whole lip motion here where it would overhang. Now it's really cool to see that they kind of kept the style on the new version, and it's just kind of cool to see. It like makes it kind of this kind of cool timeless shoe, and it just keeps it very authentic. So I'm a big fan of that. As far as the shoe goes, £100 will go great with so many different looks. So you guys are into your vintage look, these will be so easy to style. They're going to be amazing for summer coming up, so I really can't wait to start wearing those. I think they're a great shoe and they'll just really add that whole 80s, 90s feel to any of your outfits. So guys, we're going to jump to the on foot and the 2 outfits, so I'll see you when we get back. So guys, I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, make sure you give this video a nice big thumbs up, and also let me know in the comment section below if you would mess with these shoes. Now if you are new to the channel, make sure you do click that subscribe button down below, because there will be a lot more fashion, lifestyle, health and beauty videos to come. And if you want to keep up with me on the daily, you can go check out my Instagram here at Daniel Simmons. Now guys, make sure you do drop in this Sunday at 6 p.m. because I will be having another video for you guys, and this one's a little bit different, but it is an outfit challenge video, so stay tuned for that. Other than that guys, enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you all on Sunday.